Alright everyone, so now that I finally got that board working, I wanted to see if anybody could help me designing kind of a complicated design. I am still gonna try myself, just like I've been trying all along to adapt all of this. But I wanna have dual color printing with the NG extruder. They sell a right-handed extruder, so I want to get one of those mounted over in the back. And essentially I want to modify this fan bracket so we'll have the fan ducts mounted on here. We'll have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll have the ducts connecting through the back. And I want to add some ductwork behind this bracket, add it all along the back over here, so we can supply the air from the blower fans that I want to essentially mount on top of it. I think there's enough space here, to design one ductwork to split in two and go down the back of the bracket on both sides. Okay. I was thinking this side might be a little bit tight, but I think I could if I could get some help, modifying the bracket, like to have the ductwork just up to here. And then the blower fan bracket will attach on here and will supply both of the air ducts. I'd have to split the ducts in two, so one blower fan will be the cooling fan for this one, and the other blower fan will be the cooling fan for this one. Right now I have them both jumped out, so they're both cooling the same extruder. But if I'm able to split them, then I can increase the percentage that I have right now, which is 30%. But yeah, that is the next challenge I'm trying to approach, is having dual color printing. I think if I can modify the bracket to have the ducts and then mount the blower fans on top, that will enable you to just print the same kind of bracket to mount it in the back. I might have to modify the position so the bracket is centered on both sides, but we'll see after designing everything if if I need to move the whole spacing on the other side, or if any more modifications will need to be done. But I will appreciate if there's anybody that has a lot more experience with the CAD design and will be able to help me design, the dual color printing mod.